One thing you can't eat for dinner.
One thing where you can't eat for dinner?
Yeah.
Well, we not bow cat, so we not going to eat in the front.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. Yo, watch out now, we get a passport. We get a visa. And right now, we're in Ocho Rios with episode 10 of the question. And as usual, we know say yo, I can't wait to move. But just yeah, my boss. First thing why you don't know, just give me a name.
Ricardo. Them call me DJ Rick, you know?
DJ Rick.
Delroy.
Abraham.
Abraham.
Trevor.
Nicola. Shanoy.
Oh, Lennox.
Trey.
Buck.
Kian.
Buck.
Yeah, man, boy, Buck, man.
Alright, my general.
I know I agree with my name, man.
Carrick.
Kimale. Arnold Morris.
Frost. Daniel.
Sheila side.
Yeah, man, original copperheads and a flopperheads, a copperheads, properheads,
Copperheads.
copperheads.
Alright, the first question now. How much side does a circle have?
How much side a circle have? Circle? You mean like round circle?
Yeah, man.
How much size does a circle have? Yeah. 4.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
One. Circle has no sides.
Sure.
Yes, me 100% sure.
How much side a circle have?
Yeah.
You don't have no side.
None.
Circle on the side.
None. A circle doesn't have any sides.
Most side a circle have? One side.
Or a circle have no sides.
What?
Circle on the size.
No.
Side a circle.
Circle have no side.
Circle has no sides.
None.
0. Circle on the side.
A circle have no side. Like a circle can go round.
Yeah.
I'm say you know side, cause a circle can go right round. I'm say I go stop then. I'm say no side.
Circle have side, brother. Circle have a side. Circle have a side.
What side?
Yeah.
A circle.
Yeah.
4 side.
How much size does a circle have?
Oh, 1.
Circle have side, man.
Sure.
No, circle have side.
You're wrong still, you know. 2 side. Inside
Outside.
and the outside. Alright. What gets wet, the more it dry.
Ice. I can't think right now. I can't find it. What get wet, I'm more dry. I want to beat me.
No, I don't know it. I don't know it. No.
Think about it, man. Don't just give up so easy, man.
I don't know about that one. I don't know. If I get wet, the more it dry. No, them one they beat me.
What get wet, the more it dry.
I get wait more dry. I see you. I see.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
What get wet, the more it dry. What get wet, the more it dry. Excited now?
Shadow.
Boy, if you don't get...
Coca leaf.
Okay.
Towel. I'm gonna just go with that answer. Towel.
That one they hard. I don't know which one. I don't know if you answer that.
What gets get wet, the more it dry.
What get wet, more it dry. What get wet, more it dry. Boy, that question is tough. God knows that question is tough.
No, man, at least get a try. What get wet, more dry.
I'll give it a try, but it's tough. What get wet, more dry? What get wet, more dry? Saltfish.
Wait. Yo. Yo, come up and bring it. Come quick.
What get wet, more dry.
What get wet, more dry?
Yeah. I get wet, the more dry. Boy, I mean, I know that one there.
More dry. What a question that, man?
Yeah.
What get wet, more dry?
What get wet, more dry? What get wet, more dry?
What get wet, more dry? Ice.
Sponge.
What get wet, more dry.
Bombard. The one they hard. More it get wet, more it dry. See?
I wonder if when the woman comes out there, she get wet. When the woman comes out there, she must get wet.
My nigga.
What get wet, more dry.
Okay, wait, more dry. Pum pum.
One thing you can't eat for dinner.
One thing you can't eat for dinner?
Yeah.
One thing you can't eat for dinner. Thing where you buy a shop.
One thing you can't eat for dinner.
Me take a couple minutes and look on it. I can't eat for dinner.
One thing you can't eat for dinner?
Yeah.
Water.
That's true.
One thing I eat for dinner.
Can't eat it for dinner.
Man, when you're tough. One thing you can't eat for dinner.
Yeah.
Eat yourself.
Get a try, man. Let's give up so easy, man.
Go on there.
Me, no.
Breakfast. Breakfast.
Me no know.
Me no know.
I give up.
One thing we can't eat for dinner.
Yeah.
I don't know, okay. Mood, I don't know about that because a food me know say you eat for dinner.
A food you talk about still, you know?
Can't eat for dinner. One thing you can't eat.
One thing.
One thing.
What the thing you can't for dinner? You can't just sky for dinner. What the thing you can't for dinner?
Woman.
Me no know them Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast and lunch. That kind of posing still, you know.
Right.
But no other shit. You can't have shit.
I don't know that one, you know that.
I don't know. Stone. One thing when we can't eat for dinner. I'm gonna keep repeating it until I figure the answer out because I don't know what you're talking about.
Breakfast.
One thing you can't eat for dinner.
One thing where you can't eat for dinner.
Yeah.
Well, we not bow cat, so we not gonna eat in the front. Can't eat front for dinner. Alright?
True that.
True, same thing. Breakfast, you can't eat breakfast for dinner.
One thing you can't eat for dinner.
I can't eat for dinner?
Yeah.
Catches.
What you say?
Catches.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching episode 10 of the questions. And you don't know, so we're in Ocho. Ocho have a little vibe. That's a little vibe, a big vibe. So watch out now. One big up right now for my t-shirt. You don't know slangs. Is it me gonna put the name right up on the screen so you can go check out the man t-shirt. Then tough, what you say? Can't style, don't it? Cool, man. Next thing now, peeps, want to like, share, and also remember to subscribe. And when you subscribe, you just hit the notification bell so any video go up, when you get notified. You get to me, I say? So a music video come after this. I want to check out the artist MARL-E with the bad music. You get to me, I say MARL-E. So just watch the video after this. You're going to see the details from the video. You done with your boy Jnel, and I'm out.
See every girl that's a follow me, you know. You know man to me think that no follow me, you know. You know hear when me sing, girl follow me, you know. Every girl man take a little for me, you know. Jewelry would I get the agony, you know. Look who makes you get the fix, figure follow me.